If your tool isn't performing as it should, ask us about our manufacturer authorised service centre. Once your tool reaches us for repair, we'll test the item to triage the fault. And once it's been tested, we'll take it apart for further inspection and provide you with a quote for the repair of the item. Once that's been authorised, we shall then replace any components which are required and also check the serviceability of all the other components, helping to prevent possible future failures. After the fault's been found, we clean the tool in our specialist cleaning facilities, helping to remove general and industrial grime and making our tool look cleaner and often perform better. We always use new and authorised parts, which allows you to have full confidence that your tool's been repaired to the highest standard using manufacturer supplied equipment. A final test then ensures the tool's been returned to full working order before we pack the tool and get it shipped back to you. Alternatively, you can arrange to collect your tool from your nearest Protrade depot. Protrade, repairing your tools with a service that's built on trust.